your career at EC3 Early College and Career Center.
I'm Clayton Jones. I go to North Harton High School and I do the welding pathway. I would like to do some more like pipeline welding. This helps get used to doing that.
I'm Emma Smith. I'm a senior at Central Harton High School and I'm taking the welding pathway. I've always liked the idea of welding, that's why I chose it as my pathway. I thought it was more artistic than more of the other blue collar jobs, and I thought it had some patterns to it that I enjoyed to take.
The welding pathway has allowed me to compete and add to my resume.
When taking these welding classes, you can get multiple different certifications. It can just prepare you and help you get more jobs in the future. This is going to give me my future goal because I am considering doing welding. I have not fully decided, but with basic learning and trading, it helps you gain a future job.
I do know that the pay in welding is very flexible and can get really high up in the numbers.
The neatest thing I've done so far, in my booth, I've laid down on the floor and took the rod above my head and welded beads with it. It's just cooler because you're on your back.
Welding has always been a thing that I've liked, and it's really cool because it allows you to learn from different people and build off of experience.